broke my neck 15 years ago playing rugby.
I broke my neck by running into the sea and jumping headfirst into a wave.
I had my injury doing gymnastics.
I had a motorbike accident and I broke my neck.
I broke my neck playing rugby.
I broke my neck when I was 17 in a car accident.
We're the South Wales Pirates. We're the wheelchair rugby team. We've been running for 25 years this year. It's based here in Llantrisant, and we cover the whole of South Wales. At the moment, we are in the second division, and the Pirates aren't used to that level. We've got a number of players that have been in the Great Britain squad, so we'd like to just get back to the top, winning the Nationals, winning the league again, which the club used to do regularly. Physically, it's good for you. It gets you fit, which is a very good thing, whether you've had an accident or whether you're born disabled. The fitter you are, the easier it is to do things in the chair, around the house, outside. Mental well-being, it gives you a sense of, yes, I can do something. I'm not just going to be sat around the house doing nothing. And socially, we're a social club. We like to have a drink when we go out somewhere. It is something where you can take your aggression out. If you're a bit fed up in the day, come here, come training, take your aggression out on somebody else in the sport.